Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So today in this video we are going to see a home remedy for weight loss. Overweight is very much dangerous because it may lead to various other health related issues. It may lead to heart problems or thyroid or diabetes or high blood pressures. So it's important to maintain your body weight to the normal, and natural remedies will work efficiently without giving any side effects. And for this natural remedy, here we are taking coriander seeds, cumin seeds and flax seeds. These three ingredients are very much useful in giving you a very nice result. It reduces your body weight, gives energy to your body and increases your metabolism rate, and also clears and cleanses the body and also detoxes and increases your metabolic and digestion rate. Here coriander seeds will help you in purifying out with the blood vessels and also cleanses the body and flushes out the toxins from the body and gives you good digestion rate. And cumin seeds will help you in clearing out with the digestion issues like indigestion, bloating, gas and constipation, and gives you a good metabolic rate and also cools down the body, cleanses your body as well. And flax seeds has omega-3 fatty acids in it and also other minerals and vitamins in it that keeps your body energetic and active and also helps you in reducing the body weight as well. So these three ingredients will help you in controlling the body weight and also to maintain your health to a normal and gives you energy as well. So take these three ingredients in equal quantity for say about 1 cup of flax seeds, 1 cup of cumin seeds and 1 cup of coriander seeds. Mix it well and add it to a blender and make a fine powder of it. After making a powder of this coriander seeds, flax seeds and cumin seeds, you can store this in a jar or a container and keep it aside. By doing like this, it's very easy to use it in a regular basis. Every day on an empty stomach, regularly on every morning, you need to take this drink. You need to take a glass of warm water and then you need to add this powder for about half a teaspoon to a warm water. Mix it well and the drink is prepared. Now you need to take this on a regular basis every day on an empty stomach in the morning, and you need to give a gap of like half an hour to 1 hour before you do the breakfast after taking this. So this drink will help you in reducing the weight and also will help you in maintaining the sugar levels and also clears the indigestion issues and also gives you a good energy to the body.